The former CEO of ComEd facing harsh questions from prosecutors as they continue their cross-examination in the ongoing federal bribery trial.
WGN's Courtney Spinelli is live at the Dirksen Federal Building with more. Hi, Courtney.
Hey, good afternoon. Well, today is day 20 of the ComEd bribery trial, and one day after the former CEO took the stand to testify in her own defense, she faced cross-examination today by prosecutors. Now, this morning things got off to a little bit of a late start, but that cross-examination only took about half the day. The former ComEd CEO testifying in her own defense one day prior, denying she tried to bribe former House Speaker Mike Madigan. On cross, Assistant U.S. Attorney Sarah Stryker questioning Pramaggiore about a secretly recorded phone call from February 2019. The call took place between former ComEd executive Fidel Marquez, who agreed to help the FBI, and Pramaggiore, lasting more than 17 minutes. Despite the recorded conversation about whether former City Club President Jay Doherty employed subcontractors, Pramaggiore told FBI agents in September 2019 she forgot about the call and had by the time they showed to serve her a search warrant months prior. Stryker also asking Pramaggiore about an email from Madigan confidant Michael McLean regarding efforts to lower guaranteed hours in the Reyes-Kurson law firm contract. Question, you read Mike McLean's email. Pramaggiore, yes, I did. Prosecutor, your response was, quote, sorry, no one informed me. I am on this. McLean's attorney also questioning Pramaggiore about whether there were any consequences for not increasing hours, to which she replied no. After resting her defense and a lunch break, lawyers for John Hooker began their case, calling witnesses to the stand before the ex-ComEd lobbyist. Question, did you know what a lobbyist was when you started working in the mailroom at ComEd? Hooker, no, I did not. Hooker telling jurors he was interested in marketing and sales when he started. The 74-year-old says he began working for ComEd in the city and eventually was sent to City Hall as a liaison. On the stand, he was questioned about several things, including McLean and his ties to Madigan and his personal role in the Reyes-Kurson contract discussions, to which he says his lane was not to get into legal business. Now, several comments made by Hooker on the stand today, soliciting a laugh from jurors and people in the courtroom. He called them Hookerisms and said they are things that have been brought up during the trial so far. Now, all four defendants accused of engaging in criminal conspiracy from 2011 to 2019 have pleaded not guilty to bribery, conspiracy, and falsifying records charges. Reporting live at the Dirksen Federal Building, Courtney Spinelli, WGN News.